The serial dilute liquid handling function performs sequential dilutions. An initial sample volume is aspirated, dispensed into diluent, and then mixed. The diluted sample is then aspirated for addition to the next diluent. To set up and run the serial dilute liquid handling function, follow these steps. For this example, we'll prepare a 1 to 2, 1 to 4, 1 to 8, etc. serial dilution using a sample volume of 100 microliters. We'll mix 150 microliters of each dilution 3 times. Prior to setting up and running the serial dilute function, use the multi-dispense liquid handling function to dispense 100 microliters of diluent into each sample well. Now, press and release the center button until S-Dil appears on the display. Press the up or down arrow and fill appears on the display with the current volume setting for aspiration. Press the up or down arrow again until the desired setting is displayed. Press and release the center button to lock in this new volume setting and advance to the current mix volume. Now press the up or down arrow until the desired mix volume is displayed. Press and release the center button to lock in the new mix volume and advance to the current count setting. Press the up or down arrow until the desired number of mix cycles is displayed. Press and release the center button to lock in this new count setting and advance to the current speed setting. Press and release the up or down arrow until the desired speed setting is displayed. 1 is the slowest, 5 is the fastest. Press and release the center button to lock in the speed setting and exit setup. Aspirate 100 microliters of sample by pressing and releasing the pipetting trigger. Then place the tips into the first diluent-filled row and press and release the pipetting trigger to dispense sample into the diluent, followed by 3 mix cycles. After mixing, 100 microliters of the diluted sample is automatically aspirated. Move tips to the next row and press the pipetting trigger to dispense and mix the next dilution. Continue until all dilutions are prepared. To empty the tips of liquid after the final dilution is made, press the center button and Purge appears on the display. Press and release the pipetting trigger to dispense liquid into an appropriate container. Please practice pipetting now using the serial dilute function.